welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live. Welcome or tjena. Right, I'm here with Sean. I'm well out of my comfort zone today. Sean, what we got, man?
We got a Cadillac. Nice little bench seat here, mate. 2-door Eldorado coupe.
Eldorado.
Actually, it's called a Cadillac Fleetwood Eldorado.
Right, so it's a 2-door.
1969.
I mean, this thing is massive, right? Couldn't they fit 4 doors on this?
Nah, this is like the sporty version. But it's like, you know, all these old American cars.
Yeah.
Sitting comfort, loads of space, nice bench seat, automatic, V8, plenty of oomph under the bonnet.
So that's all the boxes checked then, yeah? When it comes to American land yachts.
Yeah. Good cruising car.
It is, yeah.
It's, you can steer it with like, I mean, it's not so effective on the steering, but they're all like this.
Okay.
All these American cars, it's like, if you turn a little bit, nothing really happens. But
well, let's face it, if you hit anything with this, then you'll hardly know, will you? So.
Yeah, I mean, if you hit anyone, if I hit anyone here, it'd probably be like 20 metres down the road. I'll notice.
Alright, but why are we in this big old thing then?
This big old thing's going to be sold.
Okay.
So the guy who owns it, he's a massive Elvis fan.
Yeah.
Which is surprised it's not full of Elvis, more Elvis stuff, but he's got a lot of, goes to a lot of the American car shows.
Alright.
And yeah, and he's going to do an operation on his foot. Okay. So he's like, I won't get to use it for a year, so I better sell it. So yeah.
So it's up for grabs.
Yeah.
Usually, yeah. I mean, you can't fault these things for comfort, can you?
No, I mean, this is like sitting on a sofa. Isn't it? I mean, look at the space here.
So yeah, we get this, you get 3 people in there.
Yeah, and you got like space in the back. So I mean, they are like, you know, big cruisers.
And a big V8. We need to take a look at that later.
It's a huge V8. I mean, it's like everything on these American cars. All these like family cars, as such.
Yeah.
We're all virtually automatic.
Yeah.
All V8 virtually.
Yeah.
Nobody wants a V6 as such. Everyone wants a V8. Yeah. And I guess it's taking about 2 to 3 litres a mile in gas.
Whoa, and in this day of age, mate, like when the prices of benzene, petrol is sky high, yeah? You need deep pockets for this one, don't you?
Yeah, but I mean, at the end of the day, people don't drive these cars so far, they just use them in the summertime. Right. So they're only doing perhaps a couple of 100 kilometres in a year.
Yeah, you're right.
But I mean, it's effortless to drive.
It is.
And we're going over these bumps.
Yeah, speed bumps.
You don't even notice
it. Eliminates them.
Oh, exactly. You have no clue you even went over a bump.
Alright, so when is this one up on auction then?
It's going on the final auction, which is again on the 9th of December.
Right.
And this is a reasonably priced car. So if you're looking for a American car, which is a bit different, and a coupe, this is a good price.
Do Cadillacs come up a lot?
Yeah, I mean, Sweden, we have a lot of Cadillacs. We have a big American culture here with American cars.
Yeah.
But this one will be around 6,000 to 7,000 euros on the market price.
Okay.
So it's a lot of car.
Yeah.
It's cheaper than a Volkswagen Beetle. And about 3 times the size.
Yeah.
So,
yeah, you get a couple of Beetles in this, I think.
Exactly. So, yeah, if you're looking for an Americana, here we have it.
So there you go, a chance to buy yourself a little bit of American nostalgia. On the auction December 9th, Bill Webb is the place as usual. So yeah, I guess we'll wrap it up there, Sean, yeah?
Yeah.
So thanks for checking out the show, the extra show this week to get the cars in. Yeah, like I said, the link to the sale is in the description, December the 9th. So see you all again soon on Cars of Sweden Live.